Act 1, Scene 3. This scene is very important because we are exposed to the real character of Shylock, the moneylender. In this scene itself, we come to understand that Bassanio, he approaches Shylock for loan against Antonio's credit. Then in this scene, one more thing is important is that as Shylock is ready to what? Lend money as taking what? Antonio as surety, as guarantor, because he feels that this is a very good opportunity, okay, to lend money to Antonio and make him sign a merry bond. And later on, what will happen? He will take his what? Grudge. Okay, he will take his revenge against Antonio. So let us start this scene. Act 1, Scene 3. The scene, it takes place in Venice, a public place. Enter Bassanio and Shylock. So here Shylock says, 3,000 ducats. Well, Bassanio then says, sir, for 3 months. So here Bassanio is telling Shylock is telling to Bassanio that you are asking for 3,000 ducats. Bassanio then says, yes sir, I want 3,000 ducats and for 3 months. Shylock then says, for 3 months? Well, then Bassanio says, for the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. He shall be bound. So yeah, and Shylock says that you want 3,000 ducats for 3 months. Then Bassanio says that yes, I want it for 3 months, and as I have told you that Antonio, he will what? He will be the guarantor. Then Shylock says Antonio shall become bound. Well, Bassanio then says, may you steed me, will you pleasure me? Shall I know your answer? So here then Bassanio is saying that, well, are you going to help me? May you steed me means, will you help me? Will you pleasure me means, are you going to oblige me? Shall I know your answer? Then Shylock says 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio bound. So here, instead of saying whether he will be lending the money or not, Shylock says that you are asking for 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio as a guarantor. Bassanio says that I want to know your answer. What your answer to that? He says that what is the answer to it? Shylock says Antonio is a good man. So here Shylock, what does he say? He says Antonio is a good man. So what does Shylock mean by saying Antonio is a good man? He means to say that Antonio, he is financially sound. Okay, he means to say that Antonio is financially sound. Then here, but what does Bassanio understand? He just understands the word, this word good in its ordinary sense. Okay, he feels that Shylock wants to say that he is what kind of a man? He is a very admirable man, a very virtuous man. So because he says, have you heard any imputation to this contrary? So here because he says, okay, that have you heard any allegations that he is not a good man? And Shylock says, oh, no. My meaning in saying he is a good man is to have you understand me that he is sufficient. So here what does he mean? Shylock says that when I said that he is a good man, I meant to say that he is sufficient enough to stand as a guarantor. Why he is sufficient enough to stand as a guarantor? Because he is financially sound. Yet his means are in supposition. He hath an argosy bound to Tripolis, another to the Indies, I understand. Moreover, upon the Rialto, he hath a third at Mexico, a fourth for England, and other ventures he had squandered abroad. But ships, okay, so here what does he mean to say? Shylock says that, okay, he further says that his wealth, though he is what financially sound to stand as a guarantor, but he says that his means are in supposition. What does he mean by it? He means to say that his wealth, okay, his what property, his wealth, it is subject to risk. How it is subject to risk? Because one of his ship, okay, argosy means one of his merchant ship is sailing towards which place? It is going to Tripolis. It is sailing to Tripolis. Another to the Indies. So his another ship is going to the Indies. Then he further says, moreover, upon the Rialto, means he says that on top of this, I have also come to understand from the Rialto. We know what is a Rialto? Rialto is the what? Stock exchange where all the businessmen used to go. So here he had heard that his third ship, okay, his third cargo ship was sailing to Mexico, a fourth for England, and the fourth one was going to England. And on top of this, he says, other ventures he had squandered abroad. And other than this business, he had many other what ventures, many other business, which was spread in different parts of the world. Then he further says here, but ships are but boats, sailors but men. These are important. Ships are but boats, sailors but men. There be land rats and water thieves and land thieves. I mean pirates. And then there is a peril of waters, winds and rocks. So what does he mean to say? Okay, when he says that he has so many business abroad, his ships are also sailing to different countries. But on top of this, now he is trying to do what? Shylock, he is trying to outline the dangers for Antonio's goods, the ships which are sailing to different countries. Because he says that ships are but what? Boats means ships. They are made of what? Planks of wood. Sailors but men. And sailors are what? They are men. They are human beings. There be land rats and water rats. And there are also what? Rats. The land rats and water rats. Water thieves and land thieves. In the same way as we have water thieves and land thieves. Okay. Thieves. The water thieves, what are they called? They are called the pirates. I mean pirates, he says. And then there is a peril of water. On top of this, there are other also what? Other dangers present at sea. What are these dangers? The dangers of the water, winds and rocks. A man is notwithstanding sufficient. And then he further says that despite all these things, okay, all these dangers, he says that Antonio, he is acceptable as a guarantor. And then he says 3,000 ducats. I think I may take his bond. Here he says that 3,000 ducats. He wants 3,000 ducats. I can take it, okay, by making him sign a bond. Then what happens? Bassanio says, if he assured, you may. So here Bassanio says that you may be assured that you may. Then Shylock says, I will be assured I may, and that I may be assured I will bethink me. May I speak with Antonio? So here he says that I will be assured that I will definitely do. And in order to be assured, what will I do? I will have to think over it. Okay, I have to think over it. And then he says that, may I speak with Antonio? Then Bassanio says that if it please you to dine with us? So here Bassanio then says, if it is all right with you, can you have dinner with us? So here Bassanio is inviting Shylock to dinner. Shylock says, yes, to smell pork, to eat of the habitation which your prophet the Nazarite conjured the devil into. I will buy with you. This is important. First one, I will buy with you. Next is sell with you. Third is talk with you. Fourth is walk with you. And so following. But I will not eat with you. This is one. Drink with you, nor pray with you. What news on the Rialto? Who is he comes here? So here Shylock then says, when Bassanio invites him, Shylock says that what? You are inviting me to smell what? Pork. And then he further says, to eat the meat that of that animal which your prophet, means of which your God, Jesus of Nazareth, what had he done? He had sent the devil into the body of the pig. You want me to feed it into the pig. And then he further says that I will buy with you. What are the things Shylock is willing to do with Bassanio or the Christians? He says that I will buy with you, I can sell with you, okay, I can talk with you and even walk with you, and I can do many other things. But he further says, I refuse to, means I am not going to do what? I will not eat with you, I will not drink with you, nor pray with you. And then he asks Bassanio, what is the news on the Rialto? Who is he comes here?